Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can change your Spotify username. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, simply go ahead and access your Spotify app, then tap on this profile icon on top left corner, tap on view profile, tap on edit from this section, and here you should be able to edit your particular username that shows, and you can go ahead and change it to whatever you like. Once you have changed, you're going to go ahead, tap on save on top, and there you go, your name will be saved and it will be changed. Again, all you have to do is open your Spotify app here in this home section, and then tap on your username or user icon on top left corner, tap on view profile, tap on edit, and you can go ahead edit your username however you prefer. You can also go ahead add in a picture for your account as well, a profile picture. That's it. That's what you can do. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.